Hey, what is up guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about the PlayStation 5. So as you guys know, recently they came out with the PlayStation 5. They came out and announced that the PlayStation 5 will be coming out. They haven't showed us an image of the PlayStation 5 and they haven't given us all of the specs. But with that said, they said that it was going to be able to support some of the PS4 games, but later on PlayStation came out and said it's going to support majority of the games on PlayStation 4. So over 400 titles of games it will be supported on PlayStation 5. So what this means for you guys who own a PlayStation 4, it basically means that you can play the games that you already have on your PlayStation 4, and that is very good for you as a gamer, because not only you save money but you also save time to download back those games. Well, more than likely you have to install them, because yeah, you're gonna have to install them and download them over back. So definitely it won't save you that time, but it will definitely save you money. And you know, some of these games are definitely expensive, because some games cost what the average game these days cost like $60, and to spend $60 on the next game, especially at the time PlayStation 5 is gonna come out. I guess it's gonna be in Christmas. You know, most of the EA games come out around fall, so you don't want to go ahead and buy let's say FIFA 21 and then buy for PlayStation 4, and then by December you're gonna have to buy a next FIFA 21 for your PlayStation 5. You definitely don't want that. So that is why a lot of these games, whether it be Nintendo, PlayStation or Xbox, they always try to do backward compatibility, because they realize that their consumers love this feature and it saves them a lot of money, and they don't really lose not selling the games again, because they're gonna use them again. I mean, people are gonna do in-game purchase. Like for GTA, you're gonna have GTA already installed, so you can still do your in-game purchase. And same for Fortnite, you're gonna do more in-game purchase. So it's gonna be a plus for PlayStation or Xbox when they do backward compatibility. But a lot of people were wondering if it be all of the games or just a few of the games PlayStation will be doing backward compatibility. But clearly they said yes, it will be most of the games, not all but most of the games. And they also went ahead and said that some of these games will be performing even more better on the PlayStation 5, because it has a boosted frequency on the PlayStation 5, so they can benefit from a higher or more stable frame rate and potentially higher resolution. So let's say GTA doesn't look good on your PlayStation 4, well, it is a high chance that GTA will look even much better on your PlayStation 5. So you will definitely see a difference when you buy the PlayStation 5. So if you're wondering, hey, I'm not gonna buy PlayStation 5 because they don't do backward compatibility, then you're wrong. They do backward compatibility, and you can go ahead and buy it and don't have to worry about buying over the game for your PS5. Well, at least, I mean, more than likely you're gonna most of the popular games are gonna be backward compatibility. We'll guess like a little handful of games won't be backward compatibility, but otherwise you should be good and you should not be worrying about the backward compatibility. So go ahead and get that PlayStation 5 if you're a PlayStation lover. But that's it for this video, guys. Until next time, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comment section if you're gonna get a PlayStation 5 when it drops, or if you don't gonna get a PlayStation 5, and tell me why. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.